Want to crochet this cute mushroom in just 5 minutes? Let's go! Let's start the mushroom stem with white yarn. Make a slip knot and chain 6. In the second chain from the hook, make 1 slip stitch. Then make 2 single crochets and 1/2 double crochet in each of the last 2 chains. Chain 1 and turn your work. Now work in reverse, make 2/2 double crochets, then 2 single crochets and 1 slip stitch in the last stitch. Fasten off and leave a long tail for sewing. Now, let's make the mushroom cap with red yarn. Make a slip knot and chain 5. Starting in the second chain from the hook, make 4 single crochets, 1 each chain. Chain 1 and turn, make 2 single crochets in each stitch. You will have 8 stitches in total. Chain 1 and turn. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch. I'll knit a couple and you finish the rest yourself. I'll meet you at the end of the row. Chain 1 and turn. Skip the first stitch. Make 6 single crochets. Then skip the last stitch. I'll knit a couple and you finish the rest. See you at the end. Now, let's cure the yarn tails on the white stem. Hide the starting tail and trim it. For the long tail used for sewing, weave it along the seam from the back. Then bring it back up to the top. It is now ready to attach the cap. Skewer the yarn tails on the red cap the same way we did for the stem. Trim the starting tail, but keep the long tail for sewing. Now, sew the stem to the cap. For extra strength, I'm using both the white and red yarn tails. I weave them together as I sew. When I'm finished, I tie the 2 tails together. into a knot for a secure hold. And here is our cute little mushroom. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.